Okay, everybody, our next break is the newly released. 3, Chris. I like how they did it on Monday. Alright, guys, we got 4 boxes of plates and patches. Jeff looks good with that on. We got 4 boxes of plates and patches here, just released today. Really excited to open these up. So we're going to jump over here. Rules are a little bit different. If you follow the NASCAR breaks that Tyler does, this break's going to be a little bit like those. 2018 plates and actually exactly like those. 2018. Plates and patches, football 4-box random serial number. Each box, break number 1. And what that means is each box we randomize new serial numbers. So, just like the typical break, we're going to have 10 spots. Buyer shows their spot. We're going to take those spots. We're going to randomize them 5 times. Then we're going to take the serial numbers and randomize those 5 times and pair the list up so that every buyer gets a number for the break. That's for box number 1. After that box is broken, we'll randomize the numbers again so that for all 4 boxes, you get 4 different numbers. In theory, I guess you could get the same number multiple times, but we're going to random it every time. For example, a card numbered 5 of 10 would go to 5, 23 of 50 would go to 3, 10 of 10 would go to 0. If there's any redemptions, we'll look at what the card's numbered out of and randomize between the associated parties. Any points will go into 1 lot, get randomized to 1 person at the end of the break. Please note, it is possible to go hitless in this break. And you can view the break live on YouTube, Breakers TV, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. And we'll upload it to the YouTube channel once we are done here. I'm going to start out by going over to random.org. Got my list of 10 names. There we are. Kevin M with the top 2 and the bottom 2. So, pairing his spots up there. Alright, now let's go for box number 1 here. Got 9 up top, 3 on the bottom. Alright, so for box number 1, we got Kevin M with 9, 1, 4, and 3. Philip M has 6, Scott K 7, Anthony V 8, Matt H 5 and 0, and Jeremy M with number 2. Alright, so let's go ahead and break box number 1 here. Good luck, everybody. Been a fun one in years past. Should be a good one here, too. Started out here with our 1 of 1. And it's going to be Allen Robinson. Of course, that one goes to Kevin, the number 1. Right after this, Brandon, I'll get to yours. I'm gonna have time between between group breaks today. Next up here, we got a base Carlos Hyde, 64 of 99, number 4, to Kevin. Next up here, we got a parallel Terrell Suggs, number 2 of 50, number 2, Jeremy M. Oh, nice card right here. Talented trios, Nick Chubb, Baker Mayfield, and Duke Johnson. Triple jersey. That one's number 34 of 99. That's going to go to Kevin M. And the final card here of the first box, Supreme Swatches, Mike Williams. And that's a 1 of 1. Might be tough to see that one there. See where it says 1 of 1 right by his hand. Doesn't want to show up on camera. But that's a really nice patch. And a 1 of 1 Supreme Swatch Mike Williams. And number 1 in the first box there went to Kevin. Alright, that's box number 1. For box number 2. Yeah, I hate whenever they put them in places that you can't see the number. Alright, let's jump back over here. We're going to go ahead and do the numbering here for box number 2. I believe so, yes. I can tell you in a second. I have the checklist up on the other page. Yeah. The signal callers. And I believe that one's out of 6. For the printing plates auto, Sony Michel has 5, Chris Hogan 3, Curtis Martin 1, James White 6, and Rob Gronkowski 4. And then Tom Brady has a signal callers autograph out of 6. Alright. So we'll remove that one. Put the new one in here. That out. Alright, Kevin M has 8, 4, 1, and 2. So Kevin got number 1 again. Philip M 9, Scott K 6, Anthony V 5, Matt H 3 and 0, and Jeremy M with 7. They're similar to past designs, Chris. The base cards are almost identical to the 2016. Alright, box number 2. That's a nice one for sure. Got a 1 of 1 printing plate for the Louisville Cardinals. Lamar Jackson from Luminance. Yellow plate, 1 of 1 Lamar Jackson. Nice hit there for Kevin. Kevin tearing it up here through 2 boxes. We got a base Phillip Rivers, 84 of 99. Number 4, also to Kevin. Parallel Jarvis Landry, 29 of 50. Number 9 to Philip M. Oh, nice patches. Double coverage. Jameis Winston and Mike Evans. Number 20 of 45. Really nice patches there. That's a great looking card. That's one of the nicest cards we've seen out of any product. And 0 goes to Matt H in this one. So a really nice hit there for Matt. And our autograph. Nice patch auto there. Rookie Deshaun Hamilton. Numbered 44 of 99. Nice 3-color patch there too. And number 4 to Kevin M. Okay, box number 3. Let's jump back over here and do our randoms for that one. One through 0. So we got 2 through 8. Alright. So that gives us Kevin M 2 and 5 and 7 and 8. Number 9 to Philip M, Scott K 0, Anthony V 3, Matt H 6 and 4, and Jeremy M. We'll get the 101 printing plate in this one. Box number 3. Here we go. This one is going to be a blue printing plate for the 49ers, or Cyan, Marquise Goodwin. Of course, that one goes to Jeremy M. Base card here, going to be Rex Burkhead, 73 of 99, number 3 to Anthony V. Numbered 10 of 50, Jordan Reed. Parallel there, Scott K. Gridiron Gear, nice patch there on the bottom, Jordan Howard. 25 of 45, number 5, Kevin M. Big hit here. Nice multicolor patch. Auto Sony Michel. 33 of 50. Number 3, Anthony V. So nice hit there for Anthony with the Sony Michel. Alright, and then we've got our 4th box here. Jump back over, do one last random here for numbers. 1 through 0. 5. 0 up top, 1 on the bottom. It's going to put Kevin back in that 1 spot again. So Kevin got 0, 2, 6, and 1. Philip M 8, Scott K 4, Anthony V 3, Matt H 7, and 5. Alright, so I'll jump back over here. Our 4th and final box. Our 101 here is going to be Zeke Elliott. That's magenta plate from NT. Zeke Elliott. Of course, again, that number 1 goes to Kevin. Base card here, TJ Watt, 32 of 99. Number 2, also to Kevin. Parallel here, numbered 48 of 50, DeMarcus Lawrence. Number 8 is Philip M. Nice talented trios here for the Giants. Kyle Lauletta, Saquon Barkley, and Sterling Shepard. 43 of 99. Number 3 going to Anthony V. And another 3-color patch autograph, this time Royce Freeman. Numbered 88 of 99. Number 8 going to Philip M. Alright guys, no redemptions there. So that's going to do it for the break. Thank you everybody for joining that one. I've got a second one of those up. And you see there's a 1/1 in every box. Pretty nice cards. And we got that Mike Williams patch auto 1/1 too. A really nice card there. Alright.